Right, ladies and gentlemen, of course, everyone who join us right now, of course, that guys who are gonna watch this in the record. Today is Monday, 21st of March, and we just continue with the presentations about the trade tribe, about the TMX. And I just want to say that we're doing great. Yeah, like that was going on right now, guys, with our company is like really huge. Yeah, because the last week, like that what was, just a few days ago was the really great. Just like I see many people, they join for the TMX. Yeah, like, and that's for the reason because people understand how huge this can benefit them. And that's powerful because today Jake will gonna provide for us some live trading stuff, yeah, some statistics, the crypto market, where it's going, and of course, like all the stuff about the TMX, yeah, because DEX is important, yeah, like Jake just mentioned something to us about Dubai, yeah, but I think he'll gonna provide more information about that. Yeah, Jake, if you're ready, you can take it away.
Yeah. So hello guys. Yeah, happy Monday. Yeah, I know it's hard. It's late, but yeah, let's do it. Let's bring this on. So yeah, last week was really good, really great. We are now at 350K almost into the TMX private seed phase funding. So yeah, let's pump this week. Let's finish this out. Yeah, let's finish this private seed phase. So yeah, as I said, guys, this is only opportunity that you will get these tokens for 50 cents. And as I said, this could be maybe your life-changing decision, yeah, to take on. But yeah, as I always say, do your own research, check everything, read white papers. We have a lot of the data doing there. We already check our Zooms, our videos. Yeah, we already show how the DEX will looks like with all functionalities, all of the stuff. Some stuff are still in development. So as I said, we have some real product. We've been working almost whole year on it, and now we are, yeah, ready to go on the market. So as I said, guys, private seed phase is for the private investors. So this is for you guys to jump in, to take the cheapest entry point, and to take the biggest profit in the coming years from it. Yeah. So as I said, this is the project who can last for years and years to come, and we are looking, yeah, to take really big amount of the money from the market, really big liquidities, and I think we will have some really great product to bring this all together. So as I said, you are not investing in some project who say we will make this, make stuff. You are investing in real product who is already most of it done. So basically, we already done most of your exchange. You will see how exchange risk looks like. So we show you all this stuff together. So this is really serious project, really long-term project, and this is the stuff when you want to be from the day one. And as I said, last week was really great. So we already managed to collect really big amounts. So now we continue, just finished. So as I said, guys, you have 7 days more left to jump in. Also, from all guys from the trade tribe who want to transfer the deposit, this is your last opportunity to transfer your deposit into the TMX. So as I said, guys, don't wait too long. The opportunity is really big, really huge. After this, when we go with TJ event, the token will be much more expensive. Yeah, so it will be from three, five, six times even bigger. Yeah, because as I said, at that moment it will be open for public for all of users out of the world. So as I said, guys, at that moment it will be really, really expensive to jump into the TMX. And when we list, this is the last option. When we list on some exchanges, at that moment you can go to 10x. So as I said, guys, as sooner you get in, a bigger amount of the profit you will get. So as I said, guys, it's really huge. It's really big. This kind of the project needs really big amount of the money to build it, really big amount of the time to bring this all together. And as I said, it's really, really huge task. But yeah, as I said, we are closing to our goal. As I said, we don't need to raise 1 million. But as I said, our goal was 1 million to raise up. And also, yeah, to go with this amount of the tokens. After this, we will go with TGA event, token generating event. At that event, all Ethereum what we collect, yeah, will be sent into the exchanges and will be built for the first token to be listed. So as I said, at that moment, tokens will be much more expensive and be harder to jump in. Also, yeah, I want to say to guys, maybe you guys see it. I will go to the Dubai token 2049 event. So basically, it will be by the end of the April. So this is one of the biggest events into the crypto. I get invited on it. I'm preparing some really big stuff. I'll speak with VC funds, with exchanges directly. So if you want to meet Jake, I will be there. Yeah. So basically, if you want to see me in live, in offline meeting, you will be able to see Jake. I will also make some big stuff there. I'll also make some big contacts with some big exchanges with big VC funds. We will also meet some big offline meetings, yeah, only for the VIPs. So yeah, so we are preparing for some really big stuff with our exchange. So we have really big goals. And yeah, I think from this moment when we close the private seed phase, we are ready to push this live, to push this for the big communities, for the whole world to see our own product. So as I said, guys, don't wait. We are still small. We are still small community. You can benefit really big because when you see in Telegram group that we have few thousand of the people there, yeah, at that moment you will know that you probably miss your shot. You miss your shot to get for 50 cents and our token and being part of this really big project. So as I said, guys, this will be by the end of the April. I will be whole week there. So basically there will be a lot of the events aside of this big event, what will be from 30th of April to 1st of the May. So basically if you are ready to meet me into the offline to the Dubai, I will be there. So yeah, as I said, we can also go together to see all stuff there. I also got invitation to be one of the speaker, but yeah, I'm still working on it. Yeah, to see this part. So it's really huge. It's really big community, big guys there. So as I said, it's a little bit stressful for me, but yeah, I will try to do my best and present TMX. Yeah, what it is because I know this is really great project. This is really great stuff to be one of the let's say 61st exchange in decentralized world, guys. So this is really huge. So you can just imagine we can control whole world can trade on our exchange. So you can just imagine that you have money 60 money exchanges on the whole world. Yeah. So think how much of the money they will get. Yeah. So basically now in each city you have 5 to 10 exchanges. Yeah. But here when we go live and we go in full decentralized in full world, I think it will be really great. But yeah, as I said, for all guys who are first time here with us, as you know, we have our own page. You need to be invited to get this, so you need to get this referral code just to invest into the TMX because this is private seed phase. This is only for guys who are invited or into our community. Also for the guys who are ready to go with us, we have this one pager, so you can get basic information about the project, how we do all this stuff together, so you can see how the exchange will work. So we will go with Ethereum two-layer network on Arbitrum and Optimism network, who are really cheap, really fast in transaction. So this is our, let's say, main backbone. Also, we are building on open source code of GMX platform, who is one of the biggest in the world with some biggest returns, some biggest gains in the crypto world. So as I said, we are going with the strongest, with the biggest, and we are looking, yeah, to get really big gains. Also, we will introduce the automatic trading with with the DCA bots, advanced grid bots, and all of these stuff tools. What every trader need. Yeah. So basically, when you are in crypto, you want to use these trading tools, and now on decentralized exchanges, there is lack of this kind of the tools. So basically, this is why we want to hit the market with. So we will give the tools for the traders to make easier traders. But you know, guys, when you bring more traders, more volume, this means more money for us, more fees, more liquidations, and this is how we collect and this is how we grow. Yeah. So as I said, for each exchange, there is really important to get volume and to get liquidations. So basically, we will give them the tools to easy trade, but this is the stuff where the 95% of the traders lose. So if you can just imagine, if we have 100 traders, 95 of them will lose. So you can just imagine how much of the money stay on exchanges, guys. So this is really big, yeah. So as I said, this is once in a lifetime opportunity. So as I say, I will not say please don't miss it, but don't miss it, guys. Yeah. So it's really big. It's really huge. And also you will have on our own exchange two ways to getting your passive income. First will be staking TMX tokens, what you can buy now for 50 cents. With that, with the raised price of the token, with 20% of all fees what you can grow from 10 to 20x easily, guys. So this is easy. So basically from 50 cents, we can go easily to $5 plus 24% of all fees what we generate, you get them in USDT. So this is real passive income, guys. So you are getting the money for staking your TMX token. So you are getting real passive income because we are taking money out of the market and we are sharing with our all passive income guys who stake with us with their tokens. Also, yeah, they will be able to put your liquidity also there for the trading. So with the liquidity provision, you will be able to get from 200 to 500% on yearly base. So basically, you will get your USDTs to the exchange. Exchange will use it for the trading. So basically, traders will use your USDTs for the futures trading, and 50% of all fees what we generate from that trading will be shared with you for the liquidity providers. 20% of all fees will go to TMX tokens, stakers, and 30% stay with the exchange. So basically, this is the stuff when you will get 50% of all fees plus all liquidation stay into the liquidity. So you can just imagine, guys, these 95 traders who lose money, all their money will go into our liquidity. So this is how exchanges always win. So this is how exchanges survive bear market, because they always get the money on from the liquidity, from liquidation events and this kind of the stuff. So as I said, guys, it's really huge, really big. And for the guys who are ready to get real passive income, this is the best possible way to enter, the cheapest and the safest way. Also, yeah, we are building our own bots for the automatic tradings. So basically, we're guys able to put some automatic trades on to trade for you. There will be also pre-done trading strategies for the beginners and advanced users. So as I said, we were looking up to get more and more traders on. Also for the guys who are there will be also possibility to swap coins. So basically you'll be able to swap your USDTs for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, for all other coins what you have into the liquidity. So this is also what we can take the part of the market. And as I said, guys, this is really big, really huge. Market is really big on the decentralized exchanges. So market go from 1 billion to 70 billion. Now it's already at 150 billion. I think it's even more. By the end of the year, we're looking up to get $250 billion into the total volume lock. So basically, this is really huge. Index already have more than $10 billion a day trading volume. So you can just imagine all this trading volume need to pay fees. So basically, if we get just 0.1% of this trading volume, we are in big money. Yeah. So basically, as I said, guys, and there is only 60 exchanges. So you can just imagine how much of the volume go only for 60 exchanges and how much of the money they generate. So as I said, guys, there is big opportunity on the market now, and this is why we've been preparing this for the whole last year, and now we are ready to push on to make these final moves before we go into the full live. And you can just imagine how big impact on the market can we take and how big the project can be. Also, yeah, as I said, there is more than 7x more new users with their active wallets on the DEX. So this is very important because these are their active wallets. So these are the wallets for trading every day, every week, every month. So they are using them in most of the case. So this is the 100% more increase of this kind of the users. So this is really huge. So this means that there is big demand on this on the market. There's big demand on decentralization. And as I said, guys, this is really, really great opportunity. And from 2020, from 5%, there's go more than 25% into the 2023. And by the end of the 2025, I think will be more than 35%. So whole market, we will take 35% from whole crypto market. So as I said, it's really huge, really big amount of the money is going out, and there is really, really big amount of rising demand for decentralization. And as I said, guys, it's really easy to invest. Just few clicks away, you need to get USDTs on Arbitrarium network, $1 of Ethereum on Arbitrarium, and that's it. Basically, also if you have Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other coins, we can also transfer this into the USDT for you and exchange it and send it back to your wallet. So as I said, we can also do this kind of the stuff. Just send us the message and we can do it for you. So basically, if you have some Solana, Bitcoins, or some kind of the stuff, you can always transfer them. I got also messages from the guys who joined 1 month ago or even more when Bitcoin was around 100,000. They say, Jake, you save us. Yeah, because they sell Bitcoin at $100,000 and put it in TMX. So basically, they're already 20% plus with their Bitcoin plus amount of the tokens what they can raise. So as I said, guys, don't wait too long. Opportunity will go. We have only 1 more week left, and as I said, big stuff will happen. Big stuff is already happening. So as I said, we want to take this part of the liquidity from the market. There will be $250 billion into the DeFi, and we want to be part of it. We won't just take 0.01% of it, and it will be huge for all of us. So yeah, so basically this is for TMX. I will not speak anymore. I will also do the Zoom next week on the Wednesday. So we will also go with some examples on the market. We will also check what we have for now. Now we'll go over a bit overview on the market. So see what we have, and if we are be able, we maybe be taking some of the live trade. So our crypto trading wallet is prepared. So yeah, if you can see here now, guys, this is the Bitcoin. So basically, if you can see now, Bitcoin just holding this uptrend line and it's just coming close to my yellow line. So basically, this is my position to take some shorts, or this is the position where we will be able to maybe see some breakout. If you can see here on 4-hour time frame, it is just uptrend, but as I said, in most of the case when we see some big dump on the market, that moment we see some retest of the dump and then we see some continuation into the push down. So as I said, there is still in danger to come back here at 80,000, but yeah, let's see how we will break this out and will be able to be break this downtrend. So basically to break downtrend, we need to go above 92,000, hold some time here and then go into the $100,000. So yeah, so as I said now, for now it's looking good. So it go from 85,000 into the 89,000. So this is great. But as I want to say, this is where the most liquidity is now on the old shorts. So basically they will try to take this liquidity and then continue with the drop. Also on Ethereum, yeah, if you can see the Ethereum is still into the channel. So basically just make this push from 1900 to 2100, but it's still in this channel. So basically this is rising flag channel. So in most of the case, this kind of the channel means that when it make the breakdown, it can go even lower. So as I said, for the Ethereum, I'm also looking up to go into this area. So $1,900 with possible retest of the market. When we make this double bottom here, here, I think at that moment we will see some bigger push up on the market. As I said, I could be wrong. They could be also some push up, but to break into this downtrend, we need to break about $2,400 for Ethereum. If we make this breakout into this line, just let me write. If we go above this line and hold here, at that moment, yeah, we break downtrend, and there is big possibility that we will come back into the 3 and 4,000. But for now, we are still into the downtrend, so we are now looking up to go into the short trades because we are now close to the resistance line. So if you can see this green line, it's just the top of the resistance line, and there is big possibility that we will see continuation into the drop. Also, I got the messages from the guys who asked me about the Solana. So yeah, as I said, Solana also hold well at this area of 120 as I speak few more times. This is good buying spot now, but yeah, we are now still at resistance. So as I said, I'm still expecting for Solana to retest maybe $135, go here, and then maybe try some new breakout. But as I said, for me, for now, what I'm looking on is still maybe some short trades better than long trades because now we are still closer to the short-term resistance line. So this kind of the stuff can also be retraced and pushed down. Also, yeah, for the market, what we are looking now, we are still into the downtrend. So if you can see here, we are in downtrend for last 3 months. So basically, it is just all times down. As you can see, every time we see some small pump, it being retraced and drop even bigger. So for now, we are still looking up to break up about this resistance line. And when we make the breakout, I hope we will hold until this uptrend. If this uptrend don't hold, we will go lower into the $100, $110 for the Solana. Also, yeah, I also speak about the Ondo. So Ondo coin is one of the coins that I'm looking up to go into the $10. Basically, he's still also consolidating into this area. And if you can see here, we are now looking up to go. I don't know what is happening with my trading view on the browser. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy, but yeah. So if you can see here, we are also in this rising flag channel. So basically this red line means the resistance. You can see here. So basically this was support for the few times. and when it break really low. So now it's a resistance. So basically every time we come into this red zone, we will be pushed down. So if you can see here, we just touch it and being sell off. So as I said, there is still big possibility to go into this line for support. But yeah, if we break about $0.93 hold here, and then go bigger at that moment, yeah, we will see recovery on the market, and it will be the beginning, I think, of the altcoin season. So as I said, guys, we need to prepare for this. So if you can see here, we see these two double top lines, and when we see these two double top, we see really big drop down on the market. But yeah, as I said, for now, if we find this bottom, let's say here bottom, from this moment we will be able to see some bigger recovery on the market and some bigger push up. So yeah, so let's go with Solana. We can maybe make one small trade with Solana. So let's see how the market is now working. This is 4 hour. We will go into the 1 hour. Just sorry. So yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, if you can see, it is still at smaller support here, but this was our resistance line. So there is big possibility that we will see some bigger drop down. But yeah, as I said, for now, we are maybe looking for favorite into the short trades. This is 50 minutes. So yeah, so we are now looking up to get into this small support line. If you can see here, so we are looking at the price will go here. So basically for our trade, we will now look for the entry for the shorts. Let's see how this is going. So this is now, as it looks like, our support line for this line. I think this was our bigger distance. Okay. So yeah, just continue going down. Yeah, so I think I've been late maybe for 1 minute. Yeah, so this is crazy. Yeah, so I late for a minute. Yeah, so basically, if I come this minute, we could take this short trade, but this looks like that I predict good, so the price will go lower. So let's see where it will go. This is 5 minutes, another 1 minute. So yeah, 1 minute is looking like a drop down. Let's see here. Let's see this small support of 441, more than a half percent. So if you can see here, we just see this breakdown of this red line. So let's see if we'll be able to recover and come back above the red line. If it managed to break above and hold, this is possible of some recovery, but yeah, let's see how this will work. Let's go with this. So yeah, if you can see here, we see some support here. Also on our line, this is our liquidity for now. So if you can see, there is big possibility that we will catch liquidity here. So this is, let's say, some midpoint. This is 50% of this week. So let's see where it is. So yeah, so let's see how these minutes will finish. So for the live trading, it's really hard to find some good moment. As I said, for now, it looks like that we've been late for a few minutes just to go into the live trading. So yeah, so to catch up this big drop down because we just come close to this short resistance line. But yeah, let's see how this will close. So basically for now, looks like resistance retest of the drop. So if we see this close into the green, this will be a really possible way to have some support line here. But if we continue into the red, we will see some drop down. So yeah, so for most of the guys who follow us for the years, for this whole year, yeah, so we are doing this every Wednesday. So yeah, so for today we finally see some push on the market. So this was maybe our opportunity to jump into the live trade. But yeah, as I said, there is big possibility that we've been late a few minutes. But yeah, let's see how this will work out. And will Solana go down? Also, if you're looking for Solana, also check out the Ethereum. So see how Ethereum is now working. So Basically, if Ethereum move down, we will also see all altcoins moving down. So for now, you can see here on this point, there is some liquidity wick here. So for now, this wick is filled by 50%. And yeah, as I said, I think, yeah, this is it for it this week. There's still possibility to break above, but yeah, as I said, now market is slow. It's close the end of the trading day, so I think, yeah, most of these positions will be sell into the few hours, and we will see some push back into the $2,000. Yeah, let's come back into the Solana. So yeah, as I said, volume is now really low, so we are now looking up to hold at this area. So as I said, guys, it's really hard to catch up at the moment. Get this into the trade. I see this question. Do you think April the 2nd tariffs will hurt crypto market a lot or a little? Yeah, as I said, for the crypto market, this is the risk market. Yeah, so basically, when you have good conditions on the market, when there is big flow of the money, then most of the money will go into the risk assets. Yeah, so crypto is one of the risk assets. So basically, more investors will risk with the crypto. But yeah, as I said, if there is tariff, if there is big push on the market, if the spending is going down, at that moment, yeah, we can see some drop downs on the crypto. So basically, from this perspective of view, I'm also thinking that we will see maybe some lower points of the crypto because there is not still big demand on the crypto and there is still a lot of the fear on the crypto. So this means that people are in fear of loss and people are in fear to hold their money on, yeah, for the long term. And as I said, when this kind of events happen, most of the case we see is the gold pumping. Yeah, so basically we can now just go to the gold. I'll show you. So basically gold go about 3,000. But when we see some stabilization, when we see some good stuff, so basically this is the all-time high. So basically I think this was last week when we see break about $3,000 for 1 ounce of the gold. So now we go just almost 350 $3,057. So this is really a big push up. Yeah. So that means there is a lot of uncertainties on the market and a lot of the volume and money go into the some safe haven. Yeah. And safe haven for the investors is gold. So basically, they're putting money on the gold. As I said, when the gold go up, when the gold start consolidating, at that moment, crypto should also go because they will take the part of their profit from the gold and put it into the crypto and put it in something more risky. So as I said, guys, there is a lot of the stuff happening now on the market, but yeah, what I'm looking on is still big possibility that we will see some retests, we will see some push downs still because yeah, to break this line, to break above this resistance, we will still need some bigger push on the market and some bigger hold up on the market. Yeah, let's see what's happening now. Yeah, so basically it looks like that we will have the drop in Solana. So let's see how this minutes will close. So basically, if you can see now, this was just weak catch, and now there's big possibility that we will see the continuation into our zone, what we aim for. So now we can go into the soul, and go here. We can make new order. We can go with 140K. So if you can see here, now we will see how Solana is going. So basically just take some liquidity down. Let's see how this minute will close. So if you can see here, each of this candle is 1 minute. So basically each of this candle is 1 minute. So 1 minute represent all. I see. I see this question. Hi Jake, I would like to know how long we were trading On behalf of all of us, I know it's already been going for a year. Thanks. Yeah. So as I said, guys, this is my daily job. Yeah. So this is the job that I do every day. So I will continue training for the years to come. But yeah, as I said, my goal is go transfer you guys from the trade tribe into the TMX because with TMX you will be able to get more benefits, more profit, bigger amounts than 10 to 20% every month because with TMX we will take the money from the market in bigger amounts, in bigger volume. And as I said, as sooner you get on TMX, you will be able to get it on bigger scale. But as I said, until we have the tribe, I will trade for the tribe. But yeah, as I said, what I'm expecting that we will go into the bigger amounts
Yeah.
later and we will go into the bigger move. Yeah, I
Hey,
see David.
Jake,
Yes.
I was just going to ask if you could, when you get a chance, run some numbers and basically, I dropped the calculator, the crypto calculator, but I think people like to see what is the potential that they could earn just based on, their purchase of TMX.
Yeah. So basically for the TMX, as I said, I see you send this. No, I see this
And if you
is
can, run it. So my buddy, he's gonna buy 240,000 total tokens. Run
yeah.
it,
So
run it on that one. I want to take a video of that and send it to him because
Yeah,
he's gonna be
yeah,
amazing.
let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah. So I think can you David go with yourself? Yeah, I think I have some restriction now on my screen.
Yeah, you
I
know what? Because I'm on my phone. Let me switch over to my laptop.
okay, okay.
I can do it.
Okay, thanks, Brian.
Want me to
I
share screen?
yeah, I will just stop sharing my
Okay. Okay, so here's the calculator. He's putting in 120,000. The buy price is 50 cents. Hit enter. So where are we at? Sell price, not zero. That'd be weird. So we are to say, let's say it just goes, let's be modest and say it's $5. So his
Gee,
120 right now will be a 1.2 million. And if we let's just say we do, what's that? That is 10x to $5. That's 10x.
yeah, let's do $2. Yeah, if you go
Yeah,
if you go a little
we do,
lower points, yeah, it's really big amount.
do 20x. And like Jake has talked about too, guys, like the examples he posted like a couple days ago, where the GMX token went from 90 cents to $91, or crazy amount with Uniswap and Pancake Swap, and they don't even have the trading features on those for people to leverage trade and do all the different futures and different things. It's just swapping. So I mean, whew, this is the potential here. I mean, Trade Tribe is great, and Jake does a great job trading, but it has nothing on what we can do right now getting this token at 50 cents. This isn't a pump and dump. This isn't some token scam. Like I get people that they don't really do much research, but if they did a little research and was like my buddy Fred, he's putting in 100, he's already put in $93,000 already. He's the largest token holder so far that I know of. But with that, he's going to put more and more, and he's sharing this as well because he did research. He looked up GMX. He looked up all these different exchanges that Jake talks about. There's 60 other ones out there, and he's like, they make so much money. He's like, he's telling me all the time how much these exchanges make money. And I'm like, that's why Jake has always been like, we're going to take our profits and put them into building an exchange. And at first I'm like, I don't really get it. But then once I started trading and I gave the exchange all my money, I'm like, well, it makes sense. You know what I mean? Like they take all the money, they win when I win, they take the fees, they win double when I lose, and they take the fees. So, and it's hard. Yeah, I think only 5% of traders win daily, 2% win yearly. So where's all that other money going? Binance made $2 billion in like an hour and a half one day when market dropped 10 to 15%. Why can't that be for us too? Well, it is going to be. And we will all have that token where how much is it, Jake? 50% of like a fee goes to the liquidity provider.
Yeah,
20%, does 20% go to the token or
stakers,
20%
yeah, 20% will go to the token stakers. Yeah, so this is
the
very
token
important.
stakers?
So if you stake, you will get additional 20% of USDTs. Yeah, so as I said, guys, this is really huge, really big, and you can just imagine how big amount of the money will go to the exchange and big volume will go, and how we will benefit all of us with that. And what is really great. So basically, as I speak on the Wednesday, I will show you some exit strategy for this kind of event and how you can benefit even bigger. Yeah. So basically, without risking any bigger positions. So I will show you when, let's say, sell 10% of your tokens, put some part into liquidity, diversify into your few positions. Because with this project, there is no only I will buy the token and I will get the money. You will get the money, but you will also be able to sell part of the tokens, put into the liquidity, stake liquidity, also get another way of passive income. So basically, this from 2, 3, 5x can go easily to 20x because you will be able to diversify into the few ways of getting your passive income and then put all the stuff together. And as I said, we also have our governance, we also have our ecosystem. So basically, with ecosystem, we'll be able to also connect with other crypto projects. You can just, guys, imagine if we connect with Arbitrarium, their main network. So basically, we can also take the most of their swaps into our exchange and this kind of the stuff. So you can just imagine how much of billions of $1 billion are laying here and just want to be taken out of the market. So as I said, guys, this is really huge platform. This is really big project. As I said, this is not kid. So this is not joke. Yeah. So as I said, this is really huge stuff, and this is what I want to show you. This kind of the tokens can go really fast. You can just imagine, as these guys from GMX, they go to $90. Yeah. So as Brian said, if we go to, let's say, $25 is huge. But with this kind of the projects, when you are taking money out of the market, when you're taking money into the trades, when you are not giving all money onto the liquidity. So this is very important. Only 5% will be put on the exchanges. 95% will stay for the years to come. For all guys who stay with the exchange, who trade, who stake, who put liquidity, they will get the part of the token. So you will need to be engaged into the exchange. You will need to use exchange. You will need to build project on the exchange, and this all kind of stuff will give you a possibility of getting more tokens. But only TGA event tokens will be put on the exchange. So as I say, guys, this is really huge. You will not be, as I
So
said,
what's
you
that
will not.
mean? What's
Yeah,
that mean? That 5% of the total supply of TMX is only going to get listed, right? So
yeah,
that means
yeah.
there's a whole nother 95% of the supply that has not been listed yet. So that keeps the value up higher and higher and higher.
Yeah, and also all these tokens will be able to be staken, will be on risk. So that means that this token will not be sold. So this means even bigger price. Yeah. So as I said, guys, this can skyrocket really fast, and you will not even believe how much of the volume and liquidity we will bring. If we get, let's say, go into the first billion of trading volume, this is for all of these guys who put 10,000, 20, they will always already go to 2 to 3x or even more, only just from the fees, without any liquidity and all of this stuff. So as I said, guys, don't wait too long. The market is really big and really quick. For how long I
Go
feel?
ahead, Jay. You can share your screen back. I'm
Yeah,
good.
yeah. So basically, if this 95% will be locked for the 3 years, they will be unlocked, yeah, during this period of the time. But they will be only unlocked if there is users, there is stakers, holders, liquidity providers. So only for these guys. So basically, this not will be put out without any, let's say, your stuff you give for the exchange and you use on the exchange.
One thing too that I like is Jake didn't like create this wheel himself. He took a wheel that's already been doing it with GMX. So when we just didn't recreate the wheel, we're just doing the same thing, just a little bit better for
Any
our
problem?
community. That their community bought it at 90 cents, went to $91. If we buy it at 50 cents and it goes to $10, you just saw what can happen. So this is a chance of a lifetime for a lot of us to win in a crypto project big, where you turn 5,000 into 100,000 with the token only going to $10, and then being able to withdraw all that anytime you want, swap TMX to USDT or Ethereum and withdraw it. The vesting point of buying it at this pre-sale price is when the exchange goes live. You get a little bit of your initial that you bought the pre-sale every week for 3 months, and then you'll have the ability to withdraw all of it if you want. But my opinion is, why to do that, as this is going to grow and grow and grow, which then the amount that you're accumulating from staking is going to grow and grow and grow. Take some of that, sell it, put it into liquidity. Jake's basically telling all of us that we are going to have money education Zooms soon on what to do to make more money, and he's going to share with us on how to do that. So our crypto trading platform has really revolutionized our group to help everybody make a lot of money in the future here. So, stay close to this, invite those people you care about, that even a $500 could be life-changing for them, turning that in, holding it, staking it, the coin going to $10, and then bam, there's $50,000. They buy a brand new car. They've never had a car before. So sorry, go ahead, Jake. I'm just really excited. I got a lot of
Yeah.
people are
So
getting
yeah,
it. They're getting it. And that's why you see in our Telegram 35,000, 25,000, 5,000. David's mom's trying to throw 20 grand at him. I mean, people are coming out of the woodwork like, oh my God, this isn't a dump and pump and dump coin. There's actually utility for it. And the tokenomics is great. And only so much is getting listed. When you get that, you're like, all right, I got to go to the bank. So, so yeah.
yeah. As I said, it's really huge. It's really big, guys. Only one more week left. Yeah, so please don't miss out this opportunity. This is once in a lifetime. And as I said, guys, you already see guys putting 100K in this kind of the project. So there'll be a lot of more money. So I know guys they have money on the wall. They're just waiting this last days to jump in. But yeah, as I said, guys, also for the Trade Tribe users, jump in, move your deposit if you want. As I said, most of you guys, I think 95% of guys are already plus 100% into profit. So this is clear money for all of you guys. Yeah.
I got one more thing too. Do we need any of the money now that people's putting into the pre-sale or into the liquidity to pay for the exchange? Because I've had some people say, well, you just need money to buy the exchange and get it going.
Yeah, so we already invest most of the stuff on the exchange. So as I said, guys, as I show you, we already have the exchange. We already show you all this view, how the exchange will looks like and all of this stuff. So as I said, guys, we are clear to go. We are clear to pump, clear to move, and yeah, this is real project, and this is once in a lifetime to put on. So as I said, guys, this is our way to go. And if you guys want to meet me in Dubai, if you want to go with me to see all these events, see all this stuff, speak with the exchanges, see all some cool crypto projects also on the market. As I said, this event will be really huge, really big, and yeah, I'm really happy to have this opportunity to present TMX there. And as I said, I think we will be really ready to pump all this stuff together and go in full life. Yeah, I see also one question. Yeah, I see we have some small mistake about this PDF on Trade Tribe. Yeah, I think Tim will change it. And I see about this SSL. Yeah, this is my bad. Yeah, so I need to change this SSL certificate for Trade Tribe. I didn't have any time, guys. Yeah, sorry, but yeah, I didn't have time to connect the servers and check this stuff because yeah, as I said, I'm really busy. I'm preparing all this stuff together. I'm making 10 Zooms a day, so almost, yeah, all day I speak, I trade, I do a lot of the stuff. So yeah, as I said, I don't even sleeping, yeah, for the days. So it's really crazy. I'm 150% in this project, yeah. So as I said, if I maybe sometimes miss something or didn't send a message, please give me at least 24 hours. I'll try to catch up with everything because yeah, we are now in the edge of something really good, really great. And I think we are ready to pump, and I think we are ready at least to make some good videos from Dubai and yeah, and send some grades you from all of you guys. And yeah, as I said, I will make some posts. I will also show you some really good crypto stuff what is already been done on the market. But I can assure you guys, crypto DeFi, crypto decentralized exchanges are one of the best gainers on the crypto world. So basically, this is one of the best gainers. So last crypto bull run, we have some DeFi games, we have some metaverse, we have NFTs. But as I said, as always, DeFi and decentralized exchanges are always winner, yeah, each this cycle, because they are taking money out of the market, they are improving, they are getting more stuff together on these exchanges, and this is why we want to take all this stuff together and put it into the work. Yeah. So what is the exact date? So I will be in Dubai from 26th of April until 2nd of May. Yeah. So as I said, I will be there, and I will be also in some offline meetings there. So there will be full week of the crypto events there. So it will be really crazy to catch up all stuff together. So yeah, as I said, I will try to catch up this with this, and as I said, there will be a lot of the meetings, so I want to represent to the world what we have been done. I've been also being called to be one of the speaker for the crypto project who is funded with his crypto community. So basically, we are a community who is building his own exchange, him product. So we are one of the first on the market. So we are one of the first market who have community who build his own exchange. Yeah. So as I said, guys, this is really huge, and this will be one of the big stories into the crypto. You will see us in newspapers. Yeah, I think in a few months. So yeah, as I said, this is really huge stuff in crypto to fund some really big stuff in crypto, but with community and with trading, with working with community every day, every week, without stops, without vacation, without any kind of the stuff. Just pump it, just do it, just work it. And yeah, as I said, results will show. And as I said, we are first on the market into the crypto world who make their own exchange from the beginning, just from the talk, based on one trader and three promoters, three good guys who want to collect all this stuff together and build his own product. So yeah, as I said, guys, we will be in newspapers, we'll be in crypto market space. So prepare yourself for really big stuff. Yeah. And as I said, I'll finish this for tonight. It's almost 1 hour I've been speaking. So on the
Yeah, Jake.
Wednesday,
Jake, the
yeah.
giveaway, the random wheel is ready. So if we
Oh,
can,
it's oh yeah, great. So yeah, so yeah, Tim, you can spin out the random wheel, but yeah, for the Wednesday, guys, I will prepare you the strategy how to benefit the most from this kind of the project, from this kind of the stuff. So this is why I want for all of you guys to benefit to bring really big amount of the profit for all of you. So don't. I will show you the exit strategy. I will show you how not to miss your opportunity to get the gains. So sometimes some guys will sell when they see the coin is $2. They say, "Oh, it's a forex. It's really great." At that moment, you're selling just some part of it, and you are reinvesting in other part of the project. And during the time of the pump, you will collect all the profits. But yeah, as I said, I will not speak anymore. So it will be really great on the Wednesday. So yeah, please guys, come as bigger amount of you, and you will see some really good stuff and really trader and investor insider. Yeah. So I will show you how to maximize your profit for the long term.
all
Okay,
right.
Tim, yeah.
If everyone's ready, so we can just go for the giveaway. All right. So I just put all the guys who with us on the call, just except us, yeah, with Dave and Brian and Jake, of course. Yep. So let's just check who's gonna be the winner. Yeah. So Jake, how many? 250.
250, yeah, we have 250. So guys, if we go to $10, this is 2.5K, yeah, of the pure profit for you. So
All
as I
right.
said, this giveaway can be really big, yeah, in the future.
All right. Let's go. So just check in. So we have the Nops. Nops is out.
I think Navs was already winner last week, yeah.
So
But
he's the lucky
I,
one.
yeah, he's lucky one. But yeah, we can maybe make one more wheel, yeah. So we can maybe because we have already Navs as a winner, yeah. Maybe we want to give opportunity to some other guy, yeah.
You want to go next?
Yeah. Do once more. If you not didn't close it, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's go. All right. So we have some iPhone. I'm not sure who is the iPhone. Yes, we iPhone.
SV iPhone, yeah.
Um, yeah. So like that's me. It's like who is the
Sure.
iPhone?
John.
Yeah. So just let us know who are you, buddy.
Yeah, this is Sean. So
Oh,
that's
Sean.
me.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. So like
Thank
just
you. You are a lucky winner. Yeah, please contact your promoter and send us your wallet address, and we will give you your reward. Yeah.
Yeah. So I just test the Tim. I just DM you, Tim.
yeah. You can
Okay.
just DM me or you can DM Jake.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Thank
so
For
you.
Naps,
sure.
yeah, Jake, I think you must just say send something to Naps as well because it's not fair, you know.
Yeah, Nafs, you will get your part. You will get your part. Don't be scared. Yeah. I know Nafs is one of the big wallets. Yeah, also on the TMX. So yeah, he know you want to collect some. But yeah, Nafs, you already win last week, so we want to give more guys opportunity to get it. Yeah.
All right.
Okay, so yeah, so as I said, guys, on the Wednesday, big Zoom. It will be all about trading, investing, and how to benefit the best from the pre-sale, from the TGA, from the staking, from liquidity. So I will try to get this as with bigger amount of the data as I can, and you will be able to see how real trader, real investors, how insiders get the money and how they can profit really big for the long term. And as I said, I think tomorrow we will have also, we will also have the Zoom, with the guys. So you can just go overview with the TMX and Trade Tribe. So as I said, guys, a lot of the stuff is happening. We have just one more week and let's pump it and let's bring this on. So thank you guys and have a good night.
Yeah, see you guys. Recording gonna be posted soon.